Okay, this video is going to show how to put the tension guide back on this white model number. Oh, well, it doesn't have a model number. Oh, it says a KNB. It's weird. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to put the tension pieces back on. So we put this on first. And there, it's locked in. Now little lines on the top. Next goes this. You want to make sure the convex side is out. Alright, and then the second piece, convex towards the other convex side. That's where the thread goes between those two pieces. Alright, and then this, you want to make sure that it's going in like that. And the next is the spring. You see that? Sorry, the lighting's not very good. And neither is the camera person. There, it's a little better. Okay, so the next piece is these two pieces. You got this piece, it's like a washer or something. And then now this is where it gets tricky. So this is the number guide. And you want to put the 0 on top. Like you want it to start right there at 0. And see, this has a little nipple there. It's going to seat in at the 0, hopefully. So you have to screw this on. So you have to screw it on. Yeah, screw it on and somehow get the 0 on that little nip piece. Okay, that looks good. That's good. Okay, so I think it's there. No. Alright, it's too... Okay, there. I think it just seated in. So the 0, it's all on there. It's moving. The 0's at the line. Now if I turn it, it should go all the way to 9 with no issues. Yes, that's it. It's perfect. Camera needs to be more perfect. Okay, so that should be it. So now I'm going to thread the machine. And we are going to set this about 6 and see how it does. Alright, so I'm going to try and thread the machine with one hand. Probably should put darker thread on. Yeah, I'm going to use a contrast thread. Sorry, I had to put you down. Okay, so I'm going to use orange thread. I'm going to thread it and I'll tell you what I did because it's hard to do it with one hand. Okay, so the first place I put it was right here. Now we're going to go through this tension guide, but I definitely need 2 hands because I have to go, oh maybe not. So you're going to go under, you're going to go right into that groove, or that opening, and you're going to come up and you want to wrap it around this spring right there. See that spring? Okay, so it just kind of went up in there and came back. Then you're going to go down and around this piece here, and you're going to go up. I know my camera work is horrible. And you're going to go into the thread lift. I'm doing this with one hand. All right, so you want to make sure you get all your guides. Oh, why is it this? Focusing, focus, focus. There. Okay, perfect. So your thread's going down like this, up like this, and then back down. You never cross over your threads. Threads never cross over. All right, now there's another guide right here. It's going to go behind that guide. And now there's a guide right here. Now you got to, it's a little tricky to get it in. So you just kind of like do what I just did, if you can see that. And then we're going to thread the needle. And we're going to thread the needle from the right to the left. Oh, sorry. No, we're going to go to, I think we're going to go from the left to the right. Yes, we are, because the face plate's on the left. So you always want to thread from the face plate over. And if your face plate was in the front of the machine, like some are, then you would thread from the front to the back. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. And then your needle would go in with the hole to the front and back. All right, so we're going to put that right in there, okay? And our bobbin thread is already in. We're using black. And now I'm going to test the machine.